Hey, welcome to CircuitHub. In this video, we're going to go over how to upload a new project to the platform. So you've likely created yourself an account, you've logged into the platform, and now you want to upload a project to get an instant quote. So what you want to do is head over to the Your Project section and click on Upload a New Project. From here, you'll be brought to a screen where you need to upload your design files. Now, we currently support Eagle, KiCad, and Altium, and for more file requirements information, you can refer to this section below. In order to get you a quote, we basically need your board and your schematic file. That's all you need to upload. We do have the option for a third file, and that's for your BOM. Now, the reason you'd upload this is if you do not specify your MPNs in your design files. One way or another, our platform needs to know what MPNs you want in order to give you an accurate quote. So if you specify them in your design files, all we need is your board and schematic. If you don't, that's fine. You can just include a separate CSV file with your BOM, and we'll get you a quote. For more information on that, you can click See Here for requirements, and you'll be brought to a nice help article that gives you all the information that you need. But for me, I personally use Altium, and I specify my parts in my design files. So what I'm gonna do is hit Choose Files. I'm gonna head over to my project, and now for Altium, I'm gonna include all of my schematic files in my relevant PCB doc. I'm gonna hit Open, and now the system is going to process all of my files here. And once it's done processing it, I can name my project Hello World 2, and I'll hit Continue, and that's it for uploading a project to the platform. Once this is done importing, I can get my instant quote, and we'll go over that in the next video. So thanks for watching.